Orion Cobalt CB525C, a 6.5-inch, two-way component speaker system designed to redefine your in-car audio experience. Precision engineered, the CB525C includes a silk dome tweeter and dedicated crossover, delivering crystal clear highs and perfect frequency distribution for unparalleled sound quality. 240 watts of peak power, the CB525C breathes life into your music, delivering dynamic, immersive audio that captivates with every note. The injection-molded polypropylene cone ensures balanced, distortion-free sound, while the butyl rubber surround enhances durability and reliable performance, even at high volumes. Designed specifically for true audio enthusiasts, the CB525C's crossover optimizes every frequency, producing deep bass, rich mids, and silky highs for a flawless listening experience. Incorporates a custom acrylonitrile butadiene styrene ABS basket for durability and a clean, professional appearance. It even comes with matching grills to complement your vehicle's interior while protecting the speakers. With a frequency response of 80 Hz to 20 kHz, 88 decibel sensitivity and 4 ohm impedance, the CB525C conveys every detail of your music with power and precision. Raise the level of your car audio with the Orion Cobalt CB525C. Precision, power, and performance built to impress. Available now. Discover the difference Orion Cobalt can make in your sold in pairs Orion high performance